और बीजेपी उम्मीदवार की गाड़ी से ईवीएम बरामद होने के मामले पर कांग्रेस ने बीजेपी पर निशाना साधा। कांग्रेस तर्जुमान सुष्मिता देव का कहना है कि ये वाकया हैरतनाक है, ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ। उन्होंने बीजेपी उम्मीदवार कृष्ण गोपाल को नाअहल करार देने का ईसी से मुतालबा किया।
Yesterday, Assam went to the second phase of elections. It is shocking that a EVM machine is found in the vehicle which is registered in the name of the BJP candidate for Patharkandi, Krishnendu Paul. How can it be that an EVM machine is being transferred from the polling station to where it's kept till counting in a candidate's car? I don't think this has ever happened in the history of Assam, and clearly this is a conspiracy. This is a criminal act. We demand that this candidate is disqualified, action is taken against every officer involved, and it is clear that the BJP is losing Assam and they are actually using illegal means to win, and it's unacceptable. We demand immediate action as per law.